Welcome to my channel. Today's video we will talk about how to generate video with VEO3 in Gemini for free. This really helps you create a robust structure for your application, and it makes debugging so much easier down the line.
Yeah, welcome to the vibe. It's iAKH Studio. Knowledge is power, and the power will grow. Let's go. I drop the tech tips, keep it simple and clean, break it down easy so you know what I mean. From the hacks to the tricks, every secret I show, helping everybody out, let the whole world grow. Every upload's a gift, it's a lesson I share. If you're lost in the code, man, I'll take you there. No gatekeeping here, it's for all of us to win. iAKH Studio, let the journey begin.
I put my heart in the screen every night, hoping my words help somebody's life. So if you're vibing, come join the tribe. Hit that button, keep the dream alive.
Like, share, subscribe, yeah, show me some love. iAKH Studio, that's what I'm made of. Click that bell, let's rise above. Together we can shine, one fam, one hub. Like, share, subscribe, let's grow this wave. I give all I can, every tip I gave. For my viewers, my fam, the support I crave. Let's light up the world, be bold, be brave. Every video I make, yeah, I give my best. From the mic to the cam, no time for rest. Tech made easy, that's my goal. Helping every single viewer gain control. So if you learn something, don't keep it inside. Pass the knowledge forward, let's spread it worldwide. Together we're strong, yeah, we'll never divide. This is iAKH Studio, it's a family vibe.
We rise with every click. Knowledge is the gift.
From my screen to your heart, we connect, we thrive. Keep this movement alive, let the vision survive.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe for more videos.